Hey guys, how's it going? And today we're working on the black Phantom, of course. Yeah, basically what I'm doing today is I'm gonna look for a new corner light. I'm gonna look for other few goodies, maybe a few trim pieces. Yeah, to see what I can find from the pick and pull yard. Should be an hour day if I can find some goodies for cheap. But yeah, I'll pick this up when I get to the place. Well, so much for that. Fuck me, I guess, boys. She was fucking closed. Like, at 11:30 on a Monday? Alright, I guess. Maybe he just said, fuck it, I'm not coming in today. But anyway, so that was kind of a waste of time, but I did need spark plugs anyway, so went and got those. Not too bad. About 40 bucks for 6 of them. Platinum. But yeah, I'm headed back home now, so I'll see you guys when I get there. And for anyone wondering, it's a 5/8 drive. Well, 5/8 spark plug socket. To get these suckers out. Pop these guys. Slide that out. Pop this up. Slide it out. Pop this up. Slide it out. And then, yeah, just repeat for the rest of the 3. One was very stuck. How I got it out, I have this thing up. I give it a little twist back and forth. And then it'll pull up. And it should pop out. Just went ahead and threw all the new ones in. You guys, I'm sure you guys know how to throw spark plugs in, but yeah, I got all the new ones in. Should like that. Nice little freshen up for her. Should power like new. This is pretty much the worst thing about it. It looks worse on camera than it is, but it's just shitty bodywork right here, starting to come back through. I had a screw holding up because the clips gave away, but the screw gave out, so I'm going to put 3 new screws in here. I'm going to do that bodywork eventually. Probably this weekend I'll make a video on it actually. But yeah, it's not too bad. Like, see, once it's up, it's not the worst. And I'm going to fill that in with some silicone. Well, some black silicone. You'll see what I mean when I do it. But yeah, it'll look good. Get that fixed up. It's like the worst part. But before I tackle any more with this car, you should probably get insurance on it, right? Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, yeah, I will catch you guys when I get back. I'm going to throw insurance on the black Phantom. We made it back from the insurance place. She's officially 100% legal. That's what I like to see. Yeah, so I don't know. Honestly, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Just a little introduce to the car. I'll tackle that tomorrow or around the weekend, make a video on that, like I said. I want to go to the pick and pull yard tomorrow because, as you guys seen earlier in the video, they weren't open. So, yeah.